Have you ever felt like everyone around you has more money than you? Like no matter what you do, you're always falling behind? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll share 6 reasons why this happens and how you can turn it to your advantage.
Reason 1. Fake wealth. Most visible wealth isn't real. It's funded by debt. From luxury vacations to expensive cars, a lot of people are borrowing to look rich, not to actually be rich. The real wealthy, they prioritize saving and investing over showing off. Reason 2. Social media's highlight reel. Everyone shares their best moments online, lavish trips, expensive dinners, but they never post their struggles, debts, or credit card bills. Remember, you're comparing your everyday reality to someone else's curated highlight reel.
Reason 3. Undefined goals. If you don't know what you truly want in life, you'll keep measuring your success by other people's standards. Sit down, define your goals, and compare yourself to your past progress, not to others. Reason 4. Invisible spending. Investing doesn't look glamorous. While others are flaunting new gadgets, your quiet investments are building a future of financial freedom. Real wealth grows behind the scenes. It doesn't need to be Instagram-worthy. Reason 5. Survivorship bias. We only hear about the rare, viral success stories, the crypto millionaire or the overnight stock trader. But for every winner, there are thousands who lost it all. Focus on consistent, long-term growth instead of risky gambles. Reason 6. Privilege exists. Sometimes people genuinely do have more money, whether through rich parents, luck, or hard work. But instead of feeling bad, ask yourself, how did they do it? Learn from their habits and use their success as inspiration for your own growth. The bottom line? Wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about building a strong financial foundation over time. Don't fall into the trap of comparison, instead, take action. If you want more tips on building financial freedom, hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. See you in the next video.